In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks by phone 2026. We'll walk through the quickest way to request a phone call from QuickBooks Online Support, right from inside your account. This is ideal when you want to talk to a real person and have your issue routed to the right team without waiting on hold. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one, and that your internet connection is stable so the support panel loads properly. If you're an admin, stay signed in as an admin to ensure all support options appear for your subscription and region. Next, look to the upper right corner of QuickBooks. You'll see a small question mark icon labeled Help. Click that. A help panel opens on the right side of your screen with a search field and ways to connect with support. In the search field, type a short, clear description of your issue. Keep it concise, but include the key words you think matter most. For example, note the feature you're working on and any error code you see. Phrases like bank connection error, billing question, or payroll tax setup help QuickBooks route you to the right specialist faster. You can also mention when the issue started or the action you were taking, but aim for 1 or 2 sentences so it's easy to triage. After you enter your description, select Contact Us. This takes you to the available support options for your account. Availability can vary based on your plan, your location, and current business hours. So if you don't see every option, that's normal. Choose. Have us call you to be connected to a support agent. This requests a callback from QuickBooks and places you in the queue without you waiting on hold. Keep your phone nearby and make sure it can receive calls. You'll typically see an estimated wait time, and a case reference may be assigned for your conversation. When the agent connects, be ready to briefly restate the description you typed, confirm your company details, and answer standard verification questions. Having recent changes or troubleshooting you've already tried in mind will help the agent get you to a solution more quickly. If the callback option isn't showing, it may be outside support hours. Try again during posted business hours, or refresh the help panel and re-enter your description. Staying signed in while you wait ensures the agent has the right context from your request. That's it. Sign in, open help, describe the issue, select Contact Us, and choose Have Us Call You. Follow these steps and you'll be on the phone with the right QuickBooks expert in no time.